Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the finished look. You can see that my edges are slayed, are slick. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. But before, I want to show you the products that I used to get this look. The first product is EcoStyle gel. I don't know why I'm saying Stella. EcoStyle gel. I use this for my edges so that they can be slick. As you can see how slick they are. And I also used Shea moisture for my scalp. It's always important to moisture your scalp. So this Shea moisture, it has Jamaican black castor oil, it has peppermint and apple cider vinegar inside. So this is good. It also smells so good, but it's kind of sticky, but it's good. So, and also you can get the Ebony. I used Ebony, but some people use, what do you call this? Is it, I don't know, some people use other hairpiece, but I prefer Ebony. You can get it online if you're in China, but if you are in South Africa or other countries, you can get it at a near cosmetic store. So those are the only 3 products that I used for this look. So yeah, let's get to the video. So guys, I did my first cornrow off screen. I'm gonna explain my second cornrow. So for each cornrow, you're gonna need a quarter of the hairpiece and then section it into 7 different parts. And then after sectioning your hair to do your cornrow, you're gonna take a little bit of your hair in front and section it into 3 parts so it can be easy for you to start doing the braid. So all I'm doing here, it's just taking my right hand and holding my left sectioned hair and just crossing it over to the other side from the bag, and along with that I'm just adding these hair pieces that I sectioned, and that's just about it, guys. I know it doesn't look easy on the video, probably it does for other people, but it's much easier if you try it. It's not that difficult, guys. You just need a little bit more practice, and that's just about it. So now I'm just gonna stop talking so that you guys can focus on the video. So yeah, we are almost done, guys. I'm just gonna finish up this braid, and yay, I hope this video was really helpful for you guys, especially for people who do want to try these feet in braids on their own. I hope this video does guide you. I don't want to talk a lot on this video because I know I can talk for days, and I wanted to make it short because I didn't want to bore you guys or exhaust you. And yes, thank you guys for watching. This is the final look of my fit in braids. Mwah.